Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore element interactions in Selenium. There are so many, but in this video we'll check out the obvious ones. This video is perfect for a beginner and a great refresher for an experienced developer. Alright, let's jump into the code. We are using a sample website for this demo, and this website is designed for testing different element interactions. You can find the link to this testing site in the description below, and I have opened my IDE also side by side, so it is easy for me to code. So in Eclipse I have a class file called element interactions. First we'll set up our WebDriver and navigate to our test website, and you know the drill, and we are gonna use Chrome driver, and we'll use driver.get to navigate to our test website. Let's interact with this name input field. I have taken all the locators already, and you might have guessed it. Set as an input, the method we are going to see is sendKeys. So I'll get that element. So we'll send a text and we'll clear it. So there is one more method called clear, which will clear an input field, and we'll send a new text. And I'm doing all this thread.sleep to make that interaction visible. As Selenium is so fast, you might not see it without these hard-coded waits. Now let's move on to email field. We'll use a similar approach. We'll just grab the element and send an email to it using sendKeys. Next up, we'll see the click method. You see this toggle button right here? So it changes its appearance and color whenever it is clicked. So we'll click it twice and see the change. In automation, we don't just automate a website, you validate also. So the methods which we are gonna see now is gonna be useful for that, which is getText, getAttribute, and getCssValue. The first one is obvious, getText to retrieve visible UI text from an element, and getAttribute is for the attributes which is available in the DOM. getCssValue is for retrieving the CSS data such as font or color or margin. If it is available in CSS, you can retrieve it. Next, we'll see isDisplayed and isEnabled method. Here in this website, I have purposefully disabled an input field, and let's check with these two methods. isDisplayed is used to check whether the element is available in the UI or no, and isEnabled method is to check whether the element is enabled for interaction or no. Finally, we'll see isSelected method, which will give you the state of an element. This is helpful when you're working with a form having checkboxes and radio buttons. And this helps you to ensure that the element is not selected already so that your click doesn't uncheck it by mistake. Let's run it and hope everything works fine. So you see it enters text, clears it, clicks the button, and we get rest of the output in our console as we are printing it. So getText method fetches all the text in the paragraph, and getAttribute gets your placeholder, and we get the color, font, and we are getting a boolean written for like isDisplayed, isEnabled, and isSelected. And there you have it. We have covered most of the methods that are available for element interaction in Selenium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, we are aiming for 1000 subs, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what are the topics you'd like to see next. The link to the test website is available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.